Hi you guys, I just wanted to come on here, hop on and do some Etsy shares with you guys. I thought it would be fun to share some of my packets that I have on my Etsy shop, my digitals that are for Christmas, and also a fairy one. And I'm also going to share a few things that I've bought. Well, one thing that I bought on Etsy, and I'm not sponsoring this person, I'm just showing you guys because I thought it was a good buy, and a couple things that I bought on Amazon. And again, I'm not being sponsored by these people. I'm just sharing them because I really love them. So anyways, hi, I hope everyone's doing good. I will be putting these are already in my Etsy shop, GLITZglamourGLAM. I will have a link below with my shop and a discount code for 25% off of any kit in my shop. So just until the end of July. So take advantage of that now if you guys would like to get any of these. The first one I want to share is called A Vintage Christmas. And I'm just going to go through them kind of quickly so that we can get through all of them without taking too much time. So this one, I have that page, this page. I really love these little kids on the sleighs. I just think they're cute. This one, this one. And these are meant to be kind of folded in your journal. I did print on the back of this one of the pages, but they're not all printed on like that right now. There's this one. I made all of these so that they color coordinate together. These ones are meant to be, you can print these on the back of some of the other main pages. So, and then there's plenty of journaling space on all of them. These are very similar, these two, but this one has more snowflakes on it. And this one has kind of snow, but not this. It's a little bit lighter, and then I added more pink to this one. So that's why those are so similar. And then this one. Then these are the tags that you will get in the kit. They're the fussy cut tags. So you just print them and cut them out. That's the end of that one. So that one is called A Vintage Christmas. And then this one is called Merry Christmas Birds. And this is actually a pretty big kit, you guys. So, and I tried to kind of make it a little bit more, like, not so like Santa-ish, or it's almost like it can be winter or Christmas, a lot of the pictures in here. But there's also definite, you know, Christmas. So anyways, you'll see as I go. So there's that one. That one. This one. Now this one says Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas throughout. So this one says Merry Christmas. And I printed all of these on regular A4 copy paper. So that's what you would use, or you could use, you know, photo paper. Usually has a little bit of a different print, usually a little more clear, but I thought these printed out really well for just regular copy paper. And then these are meant to be like an accent paper with the papers I just showed you. So I did them all in different colors, but they're similar. So a striped one, and then the flowers. And then I did it in red. Same thing. Striped and flowers. And then blue. You get blue stripes and blue flowers. And then you get this page that has fussy cutting labels on it and wording. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 16 altogether of the words. You have Happy Christmas, Peace on Earth, I'll Be Home for Christmas, Silver Bells, 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas, God Bless Everyone, Jingle Bell, Silent Night, Here Comes Santa Claus, Ho Ho Ho, Let It Snow, Hot Cocoa, Christmas Tree, Jesus, and Merry Christmas. And then on here it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, joy, holly jolly Christmas, and peace. So these are to be fussy cut out, and you can make them, put them on your tags, put them on the front of your journal or a card. There's just a lot of things you can do with these. Here are some fussy cut tags, and then you also have the same ones that I just read to you, but in a smaller version. So maybe you want to put it on a smaller tag, or maybe a mini journal or something like that. Then you have the smaller version as well. And I did, these all are the same, just a small version and a larger version of the tags. And these are just to fussy cut out and use how you want. And then these are the same kit, but I printed them on a little bit better paper this time, and I also printed them front and back so you guys can kind of get an idea of what you can do for your journal. So there's that one, and then I printed this on the back, and then there's this one with that red design on the back, and this one with this design on the back. This one with the flowers on the back. This one with some pine cones on the back. I don't know if I showed you guys the pine cones, but this is in the kit. And this one with the blue on the back. Another one with the blue on the back. And that's it for that kit. Now this one is, hold on, let me just pin these together real quick. This is my fairy journal, so it has nothing to do with Christmas. It's called I Do Believe in Fairies. And I had fun making this. I really love fairies and the whole mystical, magical realm. So I had fun designing these papers. I use other people's images. I use vintage images that are not in copyright anymore. I also use paid images that I pay for to use in my designs, just so you guys are aware. And then I design most of my papers on Canva and on my iPad. So this is page 1. Then there's this one, the fairy sitting in the flowers. This one says, I do believe in fairies. I do, I do. There's this one. And this one. This is meant to be folded, of course. And then I also included just plain, so you can print this on the back of this one if you wanted to. So then you have, you know, that on the one side and that on the other. Or you could use it to make backgrounds for tags, whatever you decide to do. And the same thing with these two. They coordinate together. And then you have, let's see, 9 tags on this page. Plus 3 larger tags on this page. And 3 tabs. Another 3 large tags and 3 more tabs. 3 large tags. It has those fairies on it. 3 smaller, same ones, but smaller version. And then these are for fussy cutting, and they're more, they have fairies are welcome here. It's a very good thing. Fairies cross here at night. Fairies exist. I do believe in fairies. I do, I do. Plant a seed and a fairy will smile will be born. They'll probably smile too. So this has a lot of the same ones, but it also has just a sprinkle of fairy dust to lighten your day. In the garden beneath the rose is where fairies are born. Because everyone needs a little fairy dust every now and then. And shh, fairies live here. Leave room in your garden for the fairies to dance. And these bigger ones, you know, you can maybe even put them in your garden or something. Print them out on a cardstock or decoupage them if you print them on rice paper or something. I don't know. Just trying to come up with ideas and make a little sign out of it because they're large. They're a lot larger, and put them in your garden. There's so many things you can do if you just use your imagination. This one has two large, or medium-sized tags, and then some of these little flag type tags and some smaller tabs. And then there are a few of the envelopes. One a little bit larger and then two tiny ones. So anyways, you guys, that's all for my Etsy shares for my shop. Okay. And then these, I just wanted to share them because I thought they were really well done. I don't usually buy stuff like this, but I decided to try it because I saw it on another YouTube channel and I thought they looked really cute, so I decided to buy some and see what I thought. And they are from Paper Baker Creations. They're tea-dyed collage and lined pages, and there's 12 in each pack. They're printed on 20-pound printer paper. So I'll take one out here and show you that. Oh, and she added these two little doilies that are coffee dyed. I thought that was nice of her because I don't think those came with the kit. She just added them. So they're each printed the same. So each are the exact same print except for that paper she added maybe as a bonus or something. But and they're all printed on the back with lined paper. So they're ready to go into your journals, however you want to use them. And this one's a flower design. I got two designs from her. I got this one and I got this butterfly design as well. So, and it's the same thing as the lined paper on the back and the butterflies on the front. I'm not going to pull both of them out. These are from Craft Consortium. I think I purchased all of this, I believe, on Amazon. And like I said, I'm not getting any kind of kickback from Amazon for showing these. I just really love them and wanted to share. So I got two things of Tell the Bees stamps. And these stamps work really, really well. They soak up the ink, and when you stamp with them, all the ink comes off in one stamp. So I just thought they were really well done, and you get a very clear image. Both of them are called Tell the Bees, but they're a little bit different. So this one has a large honeybee with 3 things, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 honeybees, and then a little honeycomb thing. And then this one has a large honeycomb with 2 bees on it, and then 2 other bees here, and some flowers, and 1 hive. So they're very cute. And then these are coordinating papers called Tell the Bees. And I just thought that they were really cute. Really well done. So I got this mini pad first, and then I liked it so much that I ordered the bigger version of it. So it's, I love too how they do this little illustration on the insides of these pads. So you can cut these out and use them as tags or as a journal cover or whatever when you're done with your pad of paper, or even before you're done. So I'll show you the bigger version too. Hopefully I'm in frame. So So even with the bigger version, they have the printed design on the inside cover, and then they've got the papers. So they're double-sided, all the papers, and they have like 4 of each design. So there's that one, and this one, this bee one. So it has these bees on one side and these bees on the other. And then the queen bee. And then just another design on the back. And then the beehives. This matches that stamp with the 3 beehives. And this has the flowers on the back. And then this has bees and little daisies on the other side. And then the honeycomb pattern. There's one on each side. So one has kind of a gold, metallic gold on there. And then the other side is more of a matte honeycomb. Then there's this one. This is the same pattern, just different backgrounds on each one. There's this one. And that's it. So that is it for my share today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I will be putting a discount code in my description below for 25% off anything in my Etsy shop. Unfortunately, I do not have discount codes for these. I'm just sharing them. So I hope you liked this share. We'll go over again. So all the Tell the Bees. This is Paper Baker Creations. And then my 3 kits that I shared, we've got the I Do Believe in Fairies, a vintage, Merry Christmas Birds, and a vintage Christmas. Thanks for spending time with me. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will talk to you later. Bye.